Alright, so it was like 6 minutes past 3 a.m. on the 12th of September 2018, right? A 911 call was made to the Buffalo police station where, you know, the neighbor them said them spot a man with a gun on Plymouth Avenue, you see me? Police them make a quick response. Them see some people on them Porsche and ask them if it's them, right? Ask them if it is them where met the call. They said no. So the police officers decided to take a look around, and a few moments after that, them look and see a man a run from out of the neighboring house. You see me I say? Raffael Rivera was running with a gun in his hand down Plymouth Avenue with a gun in his hand. About halfway down the street of Plymouth Avenue, my big brothers and sisters, halfway down the street of Plymouth Avenue, him fall ground. He fell, right? It was reported by the police officers that when he got up, he turned towards them. Remember that he had a gun in his hand, right? Reported that there was a gun in his hand. And now it is reported, right, that when he fell, he got up and turned towards them, and that's why they had to open fire. Now, my viewers, you be the judge. You tell me what you see and what you think. You know what I'm saying? At no point should a police officer tell you to stop and you don't stop. They are the law. They are here to keep things in order. You get what I'm saying to you? So here I bring to you that footage, and I want you, my viewers, to tell me what you see and what you think. Alright? Leave your comments and let everything be as smooth as possible. You know what I mean? Keep it clean. And as always, if you're brand new or you need to know more about my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. If you need to contact me, you read the description below. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. Dancehall Skilla the same. You know how the thing is go, right? My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.